let me show you a great use for the way that the Tesla Cybertruck seats fold up. So this side you can actually just fold up one seat. This one obviously you can see like the other two go up together, but the nice thing is you can keep those two down, and then we have this one side. There's a little pull latch. I'm going to go to the other side to show you, and yeah. So basically I have a portable pop-up toilet. You got this, we're going to pull that, this goes up, just fold it back. We have this here, okay? You can see we have these handles, you can pull it up, and I can pull this, and then I can twist it and adjust the height. So if you want a short seat to kind of match the seat of that, or if you need a longer, taller seat, you can do that, okay? So I test it out, and you'll see in a few seconds because I'll put that clip in. But this has little latches here, you can pull these out, and I actually store some toilet paper, some small trash bags, and then some wet wipes in there. So these are actually flushable toilet paper, but you can just use wet wipes, it's fine since you're just throwing it basically in a trash bag. You don't need to worry about flushing. Okay, so that's pretty good. You basically open up the seat area, put the bag in there, wrap it around the edges, close the seat down, and then this can actually rest against the backrest, because this isn't a good backrest, it'll break. But since you have the back of the seat here, now you can actually have that as a backrest if you really wanted to, and you can sit there and do your business, and you'll see. I'll show you a clip of that. Alright, we're going to use the built-in toilet.
Okay.
You don't get to see that part, censored out.
Sitting on it.
And then you make sure to clean, okay?
Okay.
Is it working? It's working. I hear
done.
it. That's it? That's it?
I feel a little bit.
Okay, here, wipe.
Okay.
Censored.
I bumped my head.
Don't bump your head.
I already did.
Good?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Wipe?
Yes, I
You
did.
need to wash your hands too?
Yeah.
Here, I can use... Oh no, I need this. I can use normal wet wipes.
What's normal?
Here. Good. Throw in the toilet.
Okay.
Done. Pull up your pants. All done?
Yes.
Okay. Toilet's done. Gotta close it now. All done. Alright, so here's the toilet stashed. We got everything in here. And this lid just closes. And we can keep everything inside. Alright? And it fits under the seat. Also, this is the bag. Pee, you just tie it up and throw it away. Make sure you don't let it pop or leak everywhere, okay? That's it. Here's the pee. It was a success.